how to get started in real estate investing with $0. And I wanted to bring this up because, let's be real. Many people, I don't know about most, probably most people are financially locked and struggling financially. And that's just the reality of it. And it takes a lot of time and patience to turn this around. But find a partner with money. Find someone with money who doesn't want to put in the time, or they just have extra money, or they believe in you, whatever that is.
But having a budget where you can save a little bit of money every month to put towards this business, whether it's $100 a month, $500, whatever it is, a little bit, being able to budget and invest in this is really important, because down the line, that's going to be even more important. That, in my mind, Dan, is the number one thing in real estate investing and a lot of things is finding deals. You can make so much money with zero down, with zero started, if you can find a deal. Let's say it's a rental property and you have a neighbor or you have someone down the street who's selling a rental property. You get that deal $20,000, $30,000 under market value. I myself, or you can find someone who will pay for that entire financing deal. You can still own the property 50-50 if you wanted, or you could sell them the deal.